How to redeem or use your Microsoft account's gift card online. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can actually redeem and then use your Microsoft account's gift card online. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to use your Microsoft account's gift card, all you have to do is simply open up your browser, directly go to this official link, which is account.microsoft.com/billing/redeem. So you want to type in /billing/redeem as well. I'll make sure to drop a direct link. I'll just copy it and paste it in the description box, so you can directly click on the link and it'll directly take you to this page where first of all it'll ask you to log into your Microsoft account. Then once you log into your Microsoft account, here it says redeem your code or gift card. With a Microsoft product key or gift card, you can get access to a wide selection of the latest apps, games, premium devices and more. To redeem your Xbox or Xbox gift card, please enter your 25-character code in the space below. So all you have to do is simply make sure to actually enter the code that is in the back of your gift card over here. Once you make sure to enter your gift card code, if the details are correct, you can just click on the next button and then you'll be able to successfully go ahead and then redeem your gift card in that way. There's simply how you can redeem and use a Microsoft account gift card. Again, I repeat, I'll make sure to drop this link in the description. Hope this video helps you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.